So we are at Gene Lyle's collision shop today, and this is our 66 Corvette. And this is the owner of the Corvette, Jennifer, with Gene Lyle. And Jennifer, your car is almost ready for paint. Gene, tell us what you've done to this car.
Taking it all the way down to the original gel coat, and then we put 2 coats, so we've done the body repair, minor body repair on it, and then we have 2 coats of polyester primer.
This is beautiful. And so next week it goes into paint,
Yeah,
and then it comes back to our shop and we're going to put it together.
there you go.
Jennifer, are you excited?
I am super excited.
This is our 1966 Corvette. It's been at Gene Lyle Collision Body Shop, and it's been painted and the body work has been done. This car is just beautiful. The lines on it, the fit and finish on the doors, everything is awesome on this car. The next steps are to mount the chassis to the body and then wire the car and put in the glass, make everything work. When we get done, this will be a brand new 1966 Corvette. Jen, tell us about this Corvette. When did it come into the family? How long have you owned it?
Yeah, well, my dad owned the Corvette. He bought it off the showroom floor in 1966 down in Miami, Florida, and it has been in our family ever since.
Now, this car had quite a life. As you told me, it changed colors a couple of different times.
Yeah, originally it was Mosport green. Then my dad changed it to yellow, canary yellow, then back to Mosport green, and now it is the black color that I picked.
Now, when was the first time that you drove this car?
Back in 1985, 86, when I was 16.
Oh my gosh, your dad let you drive a six.
Let's drive it. Yep.
That's fantastic. So your dad has passed now, and the car was given to you, and you actually started the restoration on this yourself, right? You took the car apart in the garage.
Yes, and that didn't go so well, so that's why we ended up at PALS Auto Repair. So
Now it's had a complete color change. Of course, now it's black, and it's got the saddle tan interior.
Right.
What do you think of the car now?
there's no words. I could not be happier. It's spectacular.
Oh, we're so glad that you gave us the opportunity to fix this car for you and get it ready to go, and we're hoping that it'll stay in your family forever.
It's not going anywhere.
If you have a 1966 Corvette, bring it to PALS. See you soon.